Test, Test, 1, 2, 3, Test, Test, Test. Hey there, this video is about making a gloomy, mysterious tree terrain that glows from inside. Maybe there is warp stone or a breach into another dimension? A source of necromantic energy that brings dead bodies to life. One thing is for sure, this is a dangerous place. If you're looking for tools and materials for terrain making, check out tabletopterrainlenny.com. There's a list of products that I recommend. We start by gluing a thick layer of styrofoam to a base from MDF wood. There is a hole in the base that's gonna hold the light source. Wood glue is nice, but hot glue would also do the job. Wait till the glue has set and start to carve a mount. It is a bit messy, but a great way to sculpt slopes and mounts. Adding corkbark or foam rocks to achieve more variation of your build. Carve a cave for the light source. And drill tunnels where the light can shine through. A hand drill or a file works well. Adding details that gonna get embedded by soil or filler mixture. I use bits from my Ruins of Morstead castings. Use whatever you have on hand, or carve some from XPS foam. The tree is then chopped lavender, which comes with a nice texture and the look of a miniature tree. PVA or wood glue is ideal for making pavings. Of course, it offers the time you need to adjust the bricks. A socket of air-dry modeling clay holds the lavender and works as a cap too. A bristle brush and a few drops of water help to bring the clay into shape. Let's test the glow effect. I use a multicolor mini LED light, but you can also use a LED Tealight. Just in case, there's an Amazon link in the description below. That looks interesting. Time to texture the foam with a mixture from filler, gray paint and sand. Stipple it on. Clean up area that should not get covered. The soil mixture brings the elements of your model together. Adding more bits and details. I cleaned up and used parts from fantasy kits like skeletons, dwarven weapons and so on. A second layer of filler mixture will seal and texture the foam finally. Adding a different color helps to see what is going on. I used at first a gray and the following layer got colored with dark brown. Make sure your light tunnels are still open. The detail bits get blended into the filler layer. They represent adventurers that died by exploring the mysterious cave beyond the old tree. And maybe they will come to life again. Et voila! In the next video we will add more details and paint this arcane, mysterious, infected terrain base. So stay tuned. If you like this kind of content, make sure you ring the bell and hit that subscribe button. If you want to keep this terrain train rolling, check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook or become a patron. A link, like and share. Reminding, we already released 3 layouted PDF tutorials about terrain making on Patreon. A free appetizer and 2 Patreon exclusives. Follow the links to our Patreon, explore what is going on and download the free PDF tutorial directly. There is a list on tabletopterrainlenny.com where we recommend tools and materials for terrain modeling. This is an easy way to support the channel. If you have any questions or critics, drop a comment. Thank you and keep on making terrain. Cheers!